Muy buenas tardes, mi nombre es Salvador García, soy analista de datos y Project Manager en John Deere, donde el día de hoy les hablaré un poquito sobre el proyecto que estuvieron dándose en los integrantes de Raiza, Santiago, Andrés, Tania y Max del Tecnológico de Monterrey, un proyecto en el que al lado de la compañía estuvieron ayudando a la mejora de los proyectos de sustentabilidad para poder obtener un mejor impacto a lo que es la fuerza verde en sí. Este proyecto, de la parte de la investigación de estos chicos, se notó que por medio del área de la electricidad, que es uno de nuestros fuertes impactos que tenemos hoy en día, era donde nosotros podíamos mejorar como compañía verde, digámoslo así, donde se detectó que nosotros seguimos usando focos comunes, focos de luz solar normal, digámoslo así, y ellos, por medio de una investigación y una propuesta que se nos entregó, les decidimos otorgar un pequeño espacio para que sean su testeo sobre su propuesta, que era la implementación de focos de diodo LED, donde ellos detectaron que hubo una gran mejoría con el gasto energético y el impacto del mismo. Entonces, estamos sumamente agradecidos con el equipo de Tecnológico de Monterrey que nos ayudó a la implementación de este proyecto, el cual por parte de John Deere y de mi lado les damos las gracias y estamos a punto de inicializar una implementación ya a nivel México para poder dar estas metodologías que están aplicando estos chicos hoy en día y mejorar este impacto que tenemos con la Fuerza Verde. Muchas gracias.
So, what really surprised me about participating in this project and the whole process that it entailed was finding out uh, about the history of John Deere, how it started, how it's evolved, their focus on R&D, and how their innovations have impacted the world. Because what I didn't know was that through their innovations, they enabled the productivity that we now have in agriculture in particular, and that in turn allowed the population growth of the last century. So that was something that I didn't know. I hadn't correlated it with the company, and it was something that I found very interesting.
During the development of the project, I realized that the social responsibility of the company is very important, but beyond that, there are more factors that have to be taken into account to achieve a coexistence between the environment and society. This project teaches us that there is not an impediment to make a great change and a big impact in a short time. Thank you.
This class and project have made me think about the way I view the importance of sustainability in a company. I used to think that an already established company could find it difficult to successfully implement sustainable measures without hurting their profitability or efficiency. Working on this project, it made me realize that sustainability is not only about social projects and working with the environment, but that it can also translate into improving already established logistical chains and protocols that can help diminish the waste of resources and materials valuable to both the company and society. It was great working with John Deere in this project, and it has taught me a lot of how a big company works from the inside and the importance of proper and efficient supply and logistical tools and protocols, and how we must also strive to make both the internal and external process of the company more efficient and less wasteful.
Hello, I think this semester I got to learn how to be more conscious in everything that has to be with the environment. And I think it was pretty good because this being one of my last semesters, I got to take many business classes, and even though I'm studying industrial design, this was the only class where we didn't only see the business part of it, but also the environmental and sustainable part of it. And I think if we want to be the future leaders of the future companies, this is a pretty important thing that we need to know. And I think despite the worldwide situation, I really got to learn, and I'm pretty thankful for it.
Okay, so for me, this project was very interesting and very important because we got the chance to see the impact that small changes can do in sustainability for a business, especially if it's a large business like John Deere. I believe that we made a huge progress in terms of communication, both within the team and also with the business that we were trying to help, which in this case was John Deere, and also learn about the importance that sustainable changes can have in the environment in general and also in the society.